Get your baby sleeping through the night in just 7 days. Struggling to get your baby to sleep through the night? You're not alone, Mom. In this video, we'll share proven newborn sleep tips and a gentle 7-day sleep routine for babies that actually works. Whether you're a first-time mom or feeling exhausted from endless night wakings, this guide will help you get your baby to sleep faster, create a newborn sleep schedule, and restore your peace of mind. Learn how to balance nighttime feeding and sleep, understand newborn sleep cycles, and discover safe sleep tips every parent should know. Plus, download your baby sleep guide PDF, a printable newborn sleep schedule that helps you track naps, feedings, and progress easily. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and hello to rest. Watch now to learn how to calm your baby fast, extend night sleep, and build a bedtime routine that sticks. You've tried rocking, feeding, white noise, maybe even pacing the floor at 2 a.m., wondering if you're doing something wrong. You're exhausted, your coffee's cold, and every nap feels like a gamble. Sound familiar? Truth is, newborns aren't born knowing how to sleep, but with the right routine, they can learn. And when they sleep better, so do you. That's exactly why I created the 7-Day Newborn Sleep Rescue, a simple, realistic plan for tired new parents who want their baby, and themselves, to finally rest. Inside, you'll find a step-by-step 7-day routine that helps your baby recognize night from day, calm down faster, and stretch their sleep naturally. No crying it out, no guilt. It's gentle, proven, and easy to follow, even when you're running on zero sleep. Let me ask you, how many hours of sleep did you get last night? Wouldn't it feel amazing to wake up and realize your baby slept 3, maybe even 4 hours straight? That's not a dream, it's the result of small, consistent changes. The guide walks you through exactly what to do each day, from creating calming bedtime cues to handling middle-of-the-night wake-ups the right way. So mama, it's time to stop surviving and start sleeping. Download your copy of the 7-Day Newborn Sleep Rescue. The link's right below this video. You'll learn how to help your baby fall asleep faster, how to stretch night feeds gradually, and how to build a bedtime routine that actually works. You deserve rest. Your baby does too. Start your 7-day sleep rescue today, and wake up to peace, not crying.